Let's first open the dashboard and enter the proxy configuration page. Click Dynamic Residential Proxy. API configuration must first add a whitelist. Click Manage IP Whitelist. Click Add Whitelist. Click Add Whitelist. Copy your IP into the whitelist IP and click Submit. Go to Proxy Settings. Choose the country you want. Select the number of IPs to extract. Select the number of IPs to extract. There are two options for session type, rotating IP and sticky IP. Select Rotating to rotate the IP based on each request, or select Sticky to retain one IP for up to 180 minutes. Click to generate API link. In Get API Link, click Open Link. You can see the proxy information. Copy the proxy, then we go to Configure the proxy. Add browser. Select SOX5 as the proxy type. Fill in the IP address and proxy port. Click to detect proxy. If the connection test is successful, it means the configuration is successful.